What's up? Welcome to the channel. Today we are doing the intro again out on the water because the shop isn't ready to actually film in right now, but hopefully by next episode it will be. But what we're doing today is we are going to be making the base for the rocket launcher seat that we will need to then eventually put the cushions on. The canvas shop is going to help us out with that, but we need to make the foundation for that today. That's part one of what we're going to be doing. And part two is we're going to be putting the tower and the grab rail back on the boat and getting everything off of it. So that way we can just have it back on the boat, have a shade. It won't be the permanent installation for this thing because we are going to have to do a couple of things to it. But to get the boat usable, we're just going to throw it back in the boat. And yeah, that'll be that. So let's do it.
See, I'm thinking this thing is just a straight 90.
What do you mean? 90 degrees?
Yeah, I thought it was just a little bit of a rake, but it's not. It doesn't seem to be.
No, I think if we just do just straight up bottom up next to each other, screw them together, and then route it, I think we'll be good. Just make a square.
All right, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so we need. It's got to be 3
feet by.
It's going to be 3 3/4 by 9.
3 3/4 by 9. Okay.
Yeah, 3. If we make it 3, it just barely past
3 feet 3/4 by 9.
3. Yeah.
Okay. This one is our seat front. This is our top.
I think so.
Okay.
So
Should we do CA glue to just hold it, and then CA glue to hold it, and then I'll do some activator on it, and then zing, 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 good to go. I think that's good.
that's good. You can see that.
All right, I'm just gonna run a bead down, and then we're gonna. I got a small little speed square there. One here. Just put one on one side, and hand me that other little one. We'll just make sure it's all good.
Where's it at?
It's in the. I got my little cutting in there. How hot today it is. I don't think we're gonna need too much activator. Almost. Here, can you just brace this back here? I'm gonna push against this. I think that's it. I think it's where it is.
Foam is on there. It'll be perfect.
I'm just thinking to run the router on it. That'll be fine. All right, so we're gonna want to countersink these.
That's not good on the.
A little bit. No, it's not.
All right. That's good enough.
Yeah. It'll work. It's fine.
Why is this thing larger than it's supposed to be?
There you go. You got a measuring tape?
This thing's longer than it's supposed to be. Yeah.
You said 3 3/4.
Yeah.
Did you mean 3 1/4?
No.
Or did I hear
I don't know.
3 3/4 and it should have been 3 1/4?
I don't know. All right, let's get a tape measure and let's take a look and see what we got to do here. It's exactly 3 3/4. So what was I saying?
I don't know. I just cut what you tell me to cut.
Yeah, I know. So I don't know why I'm. Okay, so so that's 5, and that's 3 feet is there. 35 1/4.
Got it there?
Yep.
You got it.
That was good,
That was a difficult cut to do.
but that was good.
That was good. I'm getting better with a table saw, I'll tell you that. Much happier?
Well, there it is right there. You have overhang here, but you got to because it.
Well, yeah, no, I'm not
So
worried
there's
about
no-
that. That's you know, and the cushion's going to add a little bit more fluff to it too.
Yeah, and which that's what we want.
Right.
So I think that's pretty damn good.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Want me to hold it while you do it?
There we go. Oh, beautiful. That's all right. That thing's coming off anyway. Perfect.
After looking at this T-top, one thing that I'm really noticing here,
Yeah.
you know, because the one that we had on the show that we did before, I really didn't like it.
Uh huh.
But if you look at the way the thought that went into building this thing to make it fit most boats, to fit every boat, these holes here are determined after you mount. You get this spacing here, and then you drill these holes. This determines where. That's why these will slide. This joint will slide all the way, no matter where it needs to be. It will fit this way. Then the standoffs down here grab the console at whatever height they need to be.
It's also shifted that way, and it always was shifted that way.
Yeah.
Like I don't think it was ever centered correctly. Which we can fix. This is this glass? I think this
No,
is
no,
metal.
I don't think it is. I think
I think
this
it's
is
metal because it's peeling up here. The paint's there's some water intrusion. Oh wait, no, that's just water. There is some. I think it's metal.
It is.
This part. And it's
because
riveted.
you got a little corrosion right here lifting up, so that
Yeah,
it's taking.
same over there. And we could take that off and paint that. And over there, anywhere where there's a rivet coming through or anything like that, there's a little
Well,
corrosion.
this is the thing.
aluminum.
This is the thing right here that we could do with this. You've got 2 bars here and here that run the full length to grab this, right?
That's what it's riveted to.
I think they run the full length.
I mean, they're here and here. They're
Yeah,
welded, they're tabbed in there.
Yeah. So I think or it may be just pieces that stick
might-
out about that far. Who
It might
knows?
be.
But we could run that, and we could lose this box. Take this completely off here, to where we make a mount where these go to, have it welded in, and we eliminate this, and we make a real radio box here. But being that this thing is all modular, it comes apart like this. All this comes apart. This would be so easy to take apart, sandblast, then have it powder coat each piece.
Powder
They can
coat.
they can hang in there and
Yeah.
powder coat each piece. You know, a nice off-white color or something. Because you're never, no matter how much you polish this pitty
No,
corrosion,
the pitting's not going to come out here.
it's
I just
never
wanted to
gonna-
shine it up just to shine it.
Right.
You know, make it look a little bit like we tried.
But we could do that with this top because this is actually for
For being a put together top, it's
yeah, for a fit all top. This is actually it's
one of the
actually
best ones.
it's the best one I've seen yet.
Mhm.
So we could do that.
Did we fill that hole that goes into the side of the console where these wires come through? We probably
more,
did.
more than likely.
Yeah. Yeah, we probably did. It's all right. We can.
No, yeah, well, we can remake that.
Well, we need to come up with the actual wires that are going to come through here anyway.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. We need new lights. We got to re-rig the whole thing. So I'm not.
But
worried
while
about
we
that.
have it out,
clean
it up,
take this stuff off.
get
I'm
the
still gonna-
junk off of here that we know is not going back on here.
Yeah.
We can leave the wires in there to pull new wires
yeah,
in. You know, we can
definitely.
do that.
Definitely.
But
But this light's
yeah,
done.
all that-
this crap is gone.
Yes.
Okay. There we go. Perfect. That's exactly what we're going for.
There you go. That one worked.
They gel coat, when we gel coated the inside,
Oh.
rolled into the hole,
Oh.
making it a little on the,
Smaller side.
it
It just
is.
gives it a little bite. That's all. All right.
So,
Fine. That's,
so you can go get a zinger and zing it.
yeah. All right.
That's why we're going to trim that when we pull it back out. We're going to trim it to fit, make it fit on the floor flush. Because this side here, for some reason, fits right up against it. And that side doesn't, so that side we're going to trim.
Oh yeah.
It's solid.
It's looking like a boat.
Yeah.
Tell you that. Put the grab rail back in. Good.